After living in China for a while, he left again and lost contact with his family back home, including his wife and 2 children in his hometown. Very little is known about Li Chongxin's life in Jamaica, but from the fragments of information available, we know he owned a shop and was involved in a car accident reported by the local newspaper. He was driving a Dodge when it collided with another vehicle. This shows that over 100 years ago, Li Keil's great-great-grandfather was already a car owner. Since leaving in the 1920s, Li Chongxin never sent money back to his family again, essentially disappearing from their lives. Meanwhile, his younger brother, who also traveled to Jamaica and changed his name to Tom, continued sending money back to their hometown until the 1960s, helping improve the family's living conditions. When Li Chongxin, now 58, arrived in America by ship, he vanished completely. According to his daughter, and Li Keil's grandmother, Milliam, she never saw her father again after she was very young. Milliam was born in 1931, and Li Chongxin left in 1934. His final contribution was having a daughter later in life, and it was through this branch of the family that the future NBA star was born. However, there's also a theory that the elderly Li Chongxin, nearing 60, went to Los Angeles intending to catch a ship back to China to return to his roots, but something must have happened, leaving him silent forever. His wife Imes was left alone to raise 10 children. Milliam, Li Chongxin and Imes' daughter, moved to the US in the 1950s and married a soldier named George Foreman, giving birth to Susan, who became Li Keil's mother. Interestingly, Milliam's husband, the grandfather of Li Keil, was also from Jamaica. From the time Susan could remember, she often saw Chinese guests visiting their home, which sparked her curiosity about her heritage. But her parents avoided the topic because anti-Asian sentiment in America at the time was extremely strong. As a child, Susan only knew her grandfather came from China, nothing else. Milliam became friends with the Anderson family in Jamaica, whose son Clifton Anderson was a professional football player. His son, Big Kyle Anderson, played basketball, and so the kids from both families ended up together. Susan met Big Kyle Anderson, fell in love, and started a family. On September 20, 1993, Susan gave birth to her son in New York, naming him Kyle Anderson. Her unanswered questions about her ancestry subtly shaped her son's own journey, eventually leading him down a path of discovery, asking where he truly came from, and uncovering many more stories along the way.